Bruce Berenyi, member of the 1986 New York Mets. Can you talk a little bit about the emotions of returning to New York for the reunion this weekend?
Always a great pleasure and honor. I always look forward to any chance I can get to see all the guys again. I don't get to see hardly anybody anymore. I'm not involved in baseball, so it's kind of tough. But not being a part of the actual series, it's kind of a mixed emotion thing for me. But everybody always makes me feel like I was a big part of it. So.
What was it like watching the team develop? You said you came over in '84 from the Reds, and so when did you see the potential for this to happen?
Pretty much right away. I think I had a different perspective coming from a team that was pretty much perennial last place team. Being a starting pitcher and going out and pitching well. I mean, in '83 or '82, I lost 18 games and had a 3.3 earned run average. So when I came over to the Mets, it was just a totally different atmosphere. I mean, it was you knew that if you were in the sixth inning and the game was tied or you were maybe behind one run, you weren't going to get pulled out for a pinch hitter. So it was a totally different atmosphere.
And being in that setting and having that, I guess, confidence in the club, how did it help you pitching that year for the Mets in '86?
I mean, if I wouldn't have been, kind of favoring a shoulder that was aching and, I mean, I pushed myself beyond where I should have just to be a part of it because it was so enjoyable to be on a team that was, that great, and I wanted to be a part of it. And I wish I would have been healthy. I wish I could have, continued through the season and taken part in the accomplishment that the '86 Mets were.